Welcome to Scrubby Sundays. Scrubby Sundays was started by Heather from Strings and Threads. That's her name on YouTube. Heather from Strings and Threads began making washcloths every Sunday, and she called it Scrubby Sundays. It's a hashtag. Um, but she was doing Scrubby Sundays, and the American Starfish Association reached out to her and asked her if she would be interested in donating her washcloths. So, what the American Starfish Association is, it's a organization that's not for profit that helps homeless veterans. They actually have a tiny home village. Their website will be linked below, but they have a community that they started. They're in need of donations. On their website, it'll give you a list of their needs there. If you are a channel and you'd like to join in on Scrubby Sundays, you can email myself or Heather at, I believe her email is stringsandthreads@yahoo.com. It'll be linked below if you guys were wanting to participate. All of the information for the donations will be in the description. They are accepting and they are collecting donations until November 11th, and their mailing address is the American Starfish, P.O. Box 353, Walden, Arizona 85355, and their web address will be linked below. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the washcloths that I've made this week and some that I made last week. I think yeah. Below you will also find some of the other participants that are doing Scrubby Sundays. If you guys are interested in the two patterns I showed you today, they will be listed in the description below, as well as their tutorials. Thank you for watching. Gosh, I'm awkward.